How to log in or sign in Mr. Cooper mortgage account online. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Open up any of your preferred web application, and at the top search bar, you have to type in Mr. Cooper mortgage account online login. Once done, you will see its official website at the first search result. Then you will also see sign in option on the second search result. Click onto the sign in option. Then you will land onto a page like this. Under sign in box, you have to type in your email address. Once done, type in your password at the password box. And in case you would like the system to remember your email address, then check the box that says remember me. Once you do all that, click on to sign in, and if your credentials are correct, you will successfully get logged into your account. In case you are having difficulty signing into your account, you can also click on Forgot Password and get help resetting your Mr. Cooper account. Just like so, this is how it's done. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end. We hope to be back soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated.